Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings? With Calendly, you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that work for everyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling chaos and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links for others to choose convenient times. With automated reminders and calendar integrations, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you click over get started here, sign up with Google, or you click over sign up with Microsoft, or we have here sign up free with email. So once you click over this one, you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. But before, let's know what is the pricing of this platform, which is Calendly. So we have just to click over pricing and you'll find this page as you can see. We have here four packages. We have the free one and we have the free one and the standard one, the teams one, and we have the enterprise. But the first one, it's absolutely for free. It's for individuals starting out with the basic scheduling. We have key features here: limited one meeting, and we have here one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing. We have customize your login booking page, send confirmation emails, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application, and browser extension. And then we have the second one, which is standard for those with more sophisticated scheduling needs, and you have to pay $10 per month as you can see. And then we have here the free features plus. Then we have the teams. We have for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting distribution, and automation. And you have to pay $16 per month. And here we have the key features as you can see. And the last one, which is enterprise and the right. We have here for teams who need more security, admin control support at enterprise grade security, and you have to pay here 15,000 per year as you can see. So here we have the teams or the features plus, and here we have it as you can see. You can just choose the one you want and you click over get started, and you can choose the one you think it's more better and it's more comfortable for you. Alright, so right now I will show you how you can get started absolutely for free. So we will just click over sign up free with email, and you will find this page. We have sign up for your Calendly account, and just to add or you enter your email and then you click over sign up and you'll find another page, which is this one as you can see. Here you have just to enter your email to get started. Enter your full name, choose a password with at least 8 characters, and then you click over continue and you'll find another page, which is this one. So here you will just receive an email on your Gmail. Then you have just to click over the link to confirm it or to confirm, sorry, the verification, and you get started. All right, so we have, before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. As I said, once you just confirm your link, you'll find other page, which is this one. You have how do you plan on using Calendly. I have just to answer for those two questions. We have two steps here. Then you will find a dashboard here. So firstly, we have here, I will select for example on my own and I will click over continue. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. Then you have just to answer for the next one, which is the step 2. Then you will find other page, which is this one, which is the dashboard as you can see. So here we have the dashboard. In the right we'll find here how you can get started. In the left we'll find other options that could help you using Calendly. So after creating your Calendly account, you have just to start by setting up your availability preferences, choosing the days and times you are free for meetings. Next, you have to create event types, specifying details like duration and location. Then share your unique Calendly link with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making the scheduling upgrades. So here we have it. So in the right, we'll find here how you can get started. Firstly, just to get to know a Calendly first, then the perfect scheduling setup, then automate meeting preparation and follow-up, then using Calendly with a team. All right. So in the right, in the left, we have here other options. For example, we have firstly how you can create. You can just select here the event type. You have create a new template for your regularly scheduled events. Then we have one-off meeting. Invite someone to pick a time to meet with you. Meeting pool. For example, I will select this one, event type, as you can see. And you have just to select it and you copy the link, then you share it with your friends and you start your meeting. We have a 30 minutes meeting. On one, we have just to view blocking page. Then this is for this one. Then we have the second one, which is one of meeting, as you can see. So about this one, you have just to select the date or the time that's more comfortable, and you click over next and you share it with your friends. All right, so this is scheduled. Then we have here other one, which is meeting pool. About this one, it's the same. You have just to select here the minutes, and we have here the max, which is 1 hour, and you select here the date, and then you have just to click over next. All right, so this is how you can get started. Then also we have here other option, like here we have, if we come back, we will find, for example, event type, meeting, we have availability, as you can see. The availability, we have schedule. You're just to working hours, you can just create schedule if you want, and just select here various things, like if you want every day a meeting, and you select also Saturday if you want, and you can put this one available if you want, as you can see. Then also we have here the option of contacts. If we have contacts, you can just search for contacts if you want. Then we have the option of workflows. My Calendly, if you scroll down, you will find here email reminder to invite. You can also here email reminder to host, send a thank you email, and then we have here the option of integrations and application. Here we have an all integration application. For example, we have here most popular, such as video conference, calendars, extensions, and application. As you can see, here we have the application. Right, then we have also the option of written. You have just to select new written form. You can just start from scratch if you want, and you create a new form, or you can import a form and you connect to a form you created with another provider. Then we have here analytics as well. All right, in the analytics you will find here the filter and popular events, popular time, and also here we have also other things like upgrade plan and the price that I mentioned. Then we have analytics, then we have admin center, and also help, as you can see. So this is how you can get started with this one. All right, so you can just get started as soon as possible, and this is how it works with Calendly. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process. By automating the booking of meeting, it saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. Whether you are a busy professional or managing multiple appointments, Calendly enhances productivity and ensures you spend less time on logistics and more time on what truly matters. Give it a try and experience the ease of effortless scheduling. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys have a fantastic day ahead.